Yeah, man. After that, she make some statement about ring and thing like so she want to get married or something.
Chin, I know a man that behind the curtain.
But me just have to make her know say if she want a ring, she just have to take her phone off a silent. You see me?
You're dirty madman. Look how you get flapped.
Object padlock, object padlock.
But try kill me people.
It's a photographer. Come take a picture of me and my friend.
Everybody want to turn comedian, you know.
I know we want the picture now. See how my baby mother here, more come take a picture.
Not even comedian. Just a bag of man dress up like gal and feel so they ain't funny.
So when you done with the picture, when me can get the picture?
We feel so they ain't funny for real, you know. If you know what I mean.
I am their one leader.
Steve, someone kidnapped Stickman.
One artist never did name Conscience. And what happened to him? It look like him did catch Ebola, cause him disappear with it.
Officer.
You know I'm saying now where it come though.
Why for that talk me?
Arshana, you think me a idiot? How much man get that ooh la 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 de? A some moo la 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 me want.
I love you, babe.
So anyways, from Netflix and chill to football and neglect real quick.
It look like them boss here and the country economy. Then they in the same little basket, you know. Cause two of them look like they likely to crash at any minute. You see what I say?
Oops.
Don't blush, baby.
When Stickman talk, me say no man walk. When Stickman talk, me say no man walk.